Hello and welcome to my update on my glasses mod. This is version 2.0 that's currently in development. Couple things that have changed, I'll go through them. First off, the size of the raindrops has been decreased, so they're a lot smaller. That's on the screen glasses essentially. Made them smaller just 'cause I noticed they were really big, and obviously raindrops that appear on glasses are not really big, kind of small. Yeah, so there's still obviously work to be done in that regard, make them a lot smaller, make them a lot more realistic in the sense. But yeah. Okay, what the main core feature change that has happened is moved over to a more event-driven system, so that's always beneficial in terms of optimizing away needless things. Uh, Before there was a constant loop, well there still is, particularly to handle the raindrops, but before there was a constant loop where I was checking every second to see if your glasses had changed, which is a whole, yeah, it's unnecessary with the couple new events that ArmA raises, in particular the take and put event, which is used to handle when taking off glasses and when putting on. This makes it a lot quicker to handle those things because obviously it happens as soon. Those events get fired as soon as it happens. This sadly has a negative effect with regards to using the virtual ammo box, since the virtual ammo box does not fire those events. So you sort of have to manually do that. However, usually you only set your glasses, or you pick up your glasses or whatever in the beginning of a mission, and you sort of keep them the same throughout the mission, so it's a lot better in terms of that, since it only obviously runs when it needs to and doesn't continuously run checking to see or to determine if that's going to happen. So yeah, so that's what happens with that. Okay, so if you've played my mod before, you'll know that that it previously used two extra custom keys to determine or self-interact and interacting with other people. That has been removed along with the R damage for the moment. That's going to be put into a separate optional PVO. Yeah, because there was obviously a couple people that didn't like it, and it was yeah, not as nice. So took away those extra keys because, as we know, ArmA loves to use your entire keyboard already, so having two extra custom keys just to handle that, and it was only really used for that alone, was pointless. So I took that out. What I have now is a very nice custom menu that you use on the actual goggle thing. So you hold control and you click, and it brings up a menu which functions in a similar way to the other menu, but it's very specific to what it's about, and you don't need to assign extra keys. You just use it in that manner. So yeah, so if you clean glasses, it obviously just cleans the glasses as expected. Not yeah. So that's the couple major things that have changed that are off the bat noticeable. The entire system has moved over to more event-driven stuff, so any other mod developers and so forth will be able to hook in to the various events that the system raises and do their own things for various stuff. The cracking of the goggles and glasses, that's still in if you're too close to an explosive explosion, should I say, and so on. So that's also going to raise events. If your glasses cracks, then it's going to raise events, and that's how it's going to handle the R damage part of it. It's going to hook into the event. So that's going to happen, obviously. So I'll write up as much documentation as necessary to help any other mod developers perhaps use various things from the system if they want to have specific things and so forth. Yeah, there's a couple interesting things that still need to get worked on and developed and so forth for this mod, for this version of it, should I say. But yeah, hopefully I'll have an update in a week or so with a major addition to the stuff. But yeah, we have to just wait and see how that goes. But yeah, it should be very, very interesting. Sadly about the virtual ArmA box bug or issue. Yeah, it's not really something that can actually get fixed without going back to the old system, which is just unnecessary processing that happens continuously, which is just pointless. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching.